Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Kia Soul. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Kia has less than 85,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, external temperature display, moonroof, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.